How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is different. Um, I don't know if you're in royalty. I don't know if you're struggling with royalty. I don't know what the case is, but whatever it is, you're gonna subscribe to the channel right now before anything. Get this video a thumbs up. All right. When getting started, with working with any company online, the problem is people don't know what to do. They're unsure exactly how to really take over the game. And for some of us that started years ago, we had to go through those training curves. And the moral of the story is, what method can you use that's going to be fun and it's going to be effective. Like, for example, right now I use a lot of YouTube. I'm a big YouTuber when it comes to promoting my royalty business or any of my work from home or network marketing businesses. But when creating a YouTube, no matter if the company's royalty or whatever, the whole idea is ranking, that video on the first page of that keyword. So when people type in on YouTube, whatever it is, that you come up first or within the first few, people. You don't want to have your videos on any page after the first, unless there's someone, coming through and, they just want to see more proof, So like I say page 1 or 2 is where you want to have your video, but people don't know how to do this. I've spent years, and years learning different methods, learning different things when it comes to YouTube marketing. And the main thing, that you wanna do is make sure your I call it juice. Make sure your video has juice. I mean, it has authority, it has backlinks. Because all these things that I'm gonna list are good, for the search engines. You want to make sure it has a nice amount of views, a nice amount of likes, comments, activities coming through to your video, to your Royaltie Gems video or whatever it is that you're promoting. And you want to have shares, shares to all these different platforms. So if you were to upload a video right now, go on your, where you edit the video, or just go on the video, I should say. When you click share, it'll have the list of the top networks, that have a lot of authority. This is where you want your video shared to, So you want to have your video shared to these sites, or your top media sites. And these are a list of things that you want to have. It's a little bit more deep. I teach my team personally, the specifics. But the first few things I mentioned, shares, likes, views are hard to come by, obviously. If you've never made a video, you have no fans. And that's why I'm making this video. I actually started my own, social media company, so to say. I help, those who need views, need likes, whether it's for YouTube, Instagram, it doesn't matter. Those who need a social presence, I work with you and show you how to get this, I'm going to leave my personal website below. Like I said, whether you're in Royaltie Gems, looking to make videos, but, want to have some quick results, I'm going to leave my link below. I'm going to leave my contact information below if you have any questions. And this is how I dominate. I have other things, that help me dominate on YouTube, but this is a big, piece of pie when it comes to dominating YouTube. You want to do what the competition is not doing. You want to have the tools that the competition doesn't have. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be making this same video, for all types of companies on YouTube, ranking the first page. And this was a power move for me. So you're going to see me all over, probably for all types of companies. Businesses are going to be, pretty much on autopilot, simply, for taking action, and getting with the right people. When you join anybody online, make sure it's the right person. A lot of people are cool in front of the camera, but when it's time to ask some questions, and get that guidance, they're not there. You want to find someone that's actually there. This is, our job. This is what we do. Obviously you want to autopilot business, which means you want it to work by itself. But I'll never get too good to answer questions, even if it's the most simplest questions. It takes no time, It'll go a long way to keeping people in your organization and staying and feeling good staying, you know what I mean? So, like I said, I always answer questions. I leave my contact, for my personal phone number. I'm not sure where you're from. I would recommend giving me a text. You know, I'm not sure where you are located, what time it's going to be. It's actually my business line, but I prefer a text. You know, if so to say we had to get on the phone, you know, we can do that. But there's with technology, it's voice memos, like I said, emails. There's tons of way to keep business flowing. You know, because if you have to get on the phone all day, every day, you know, it'd be hard to keep business going. But enough of that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is gonna be a big move. You're gonna see a lot about my social media company. If you want to go right now, it's icreatebosses.com. icreatebosses.com. Information is gonna be below. Make sure you take action because this is gonna be big. You're gonna see some big results from this channel. So make sure you get on or at least subscribe to the channel. And I hope you're ready to make some money because it's that time.